Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you how to update iPhone to iOS 17. It is recommended to back up the iPhone data before performing the iOS upgrade. 3 methods are discussed here. Method 1: Upgrade iPhone via Settings. Tap Settings. Tap General, and tap Software Update. See, iOS 17 is available on this iPhone. Tap Download and install. Enter the screen passcode. Tap Agree. Well, you just need to wait for the update process to end. Okay, the iPhone restarts. Well, it shows your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can also unlock the iPhone to check it in Settings. Method 2: Upgrade iPhone with iTunes. Go to connect your iPhone to the computer with a cable. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Well, click the Update button. Click Update again. Wait for a while until iTunes tells you your iPhone has been updated. Then your iPhone restarts. Now your iPhone is in the iOS 17 new version. Method 3: Upgrade iPhone with Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Head to Cocosenor's official website and then go to the iOS Repair Tuner product page. Click Download and then install the software on your computer. Alright, open the software. Select the iOS upgrade/downgrade option. Click Upgrade iOS. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone. Oh, you need to enter the passcode. Click Next. Your iPhone is recognized. Select the iOS 17.0 official version and then click the download button. OK, click Start and then the software will update your iPhone to iOS 17 automatically. Well done! Software update to iOS 17 successfully. You can also check the iOS version from Settings. That's all. Thanks for watching.